If you're over 30 and you're struggling with stubborn belly fat or waking up exhausted despite a full night's sleep, the culprit might not be your diet. It might be the container your diet is sitting in. Every time you heat food in plastic or even store hot leftovers in it, you're likely consuming something you didn't sign up for. It's a chemical called bisphenol A, better known as BPA, and it's one of the most effective ways to accidentally wreck your metabolism. So what exactly is bisphenol A? BPA is an endocrine disruptor. In plain English, it's a molecular imposter. Its chemical structure is so similar to the hormone estrogen that it binds to your hormonal receptors, tricking your brain and throwing your entire endocrine system into chaos. But it's not just about hormones. Recent research suggests that BPA triggers a process called adipogenesis. That is the scientific term for the creation of new fat cells. It literally signals your body to store energy as fat rather than burning it for fuel. And here is the scary part. Microwave safe does not mean chemical safe. That label only means the plastic won't melt or warp in the heat. It says nothing about the microscopic leaching of polymers into your organic, expensive meal. Most people think, I only do it occasionally, but BPA isn't a one-time hit. It bioaccumulates. It builds up quietly in your adipose tissue over time. This toxic load manifests as chronic morning fatigue because your cells are struggling with mitochondrial dysfunction. It leads to brain fog, that heavy, cloudy feeling that even a double espresso can't fix. And finally, the BPA belly, that stubborn midsection weight that refuses to budge despite your gym sessions. You're not just eating food, you're eating a chemical load that forces your liver and kidneys to work overtime just to keep you functional. The good news is, your body is resilient. Once you reduce the input, your detox pathways can start to clear the backlog. This is one of the easiest biohacks to implement today. First, never microwave plastic. The heat-induced kinetic energy causes chemicals to migrate into your food 10 to 50 times faster. Always transfer your food to glass or ceramic. Second, ditch the plastic meal prep containers. Switch to tempered glass or high-grade stainless steel. Third, watch out for BPA-free traps. Often, manufacturers replace BPA with BPS, bisphenol S, which research shows can be just as disruptive. Stick to natural materials like glass. Fourth, if you're getting takeout coffee, lose the plastic lid. The steam from your hot latte condenses on that lid and drips chemicals directly back into your drink. Small habits protect your biology in massive ways. Start reducing your chemical load today and watch your energy return. Stop guessing about your health and let's start hacking your biology together. Join the Energy Corner community and subscribe for more science-backed protocols. I'm here to help you revitalize your energy, one sip at a time. I'll see you in the next one.